super foodies, today we're making this. Let's go. Hey super foodies and welcome back to Cooking with Angeli. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It's date night and we decided to try out these Shoryu Ramen kits to support our local business, and also because neither of us have had ramen since before lockdown and we were craving it so badly. I thought it would be a fun idea for you guys to come along with us and see how we get on. Let's just get started. So, the box arrived yesterday and inside was this bag which I haven't opened yet. I just took it straight out and put it in the fridge. So we're actually going to go through it together. We've got some chill packs inside, which we can... And I've got here the original ramen noodles. I've got in here the spring onion and the kikurage mushrooms and the ginger. And I've also got some tonkatsu soup stock. And I think last but not least, barbecue pork belly. And some more packs. Oh, there's also some spicy sauce in there. I've got my instructions here and I'm just going to go through them one by one. And I'm going to start the 10-minute timer. Time starts now. So it says add 400 ml of water to a small pan and bring to the boil. Let's bring it to a boil and then we're going to add the stock. But whilst that's boiling, I'm going to start prepping some of the other ingredients. I'm going to start with the spring onions. What I'm going to do is you need to chop them up finely. I'm just going to cut them up with some scissors. Onions are chopped, pop them back over here. And what I'm going to do is get ahead of the game a bit. So the next step is to pour the stock into the pan of water and mix it together. Lovely. Just being careful not to burn myself or drop this into the water. It doesn't actually say how long to boil it for, so I'm going to let it simmer and just make sure that it doesn't get too thick. So mix the stock, water well. I'm going to skip ahead a bit, as I was saying before, and start boiling the water for the noodles. There's my jug in front of me. It doesn't actually say how much water to use for this either, so I'm just going to guesstimate it. But we are only cooking it 45 seconds, so... Next, I'm just going to get this ready by putting it in a separate plate. Those are now ready to go. So let's do the jalapenos. I'm literally just going to slice them into rings. Okay, we're going to turn that right down. I don't know about you guys, but with an electric cooker, I find it's the hardest thing to gauge how, or to kind of control the temperature when you're cooking. Okay, that's safe. Okay, jalapeno's done. Wow, that 10 minutes went so fast. Okay, let's see how long it actually does take. I'm going to set a stopwatch. Okay. We need to get the pork. So as you guys saw, I chopped my jalapenos first and my vegetables first. I am going to use the same board do the meat. Okay, I haven't done it very well. The meat is browning. Fill another small pan with water for the ramen noodles and bring to the boil. This is getting there. Almost boiling. Stock's done. Vegetables are prepped and just the meat and the noodles to go. So I've got the noodles out and it says to gently loosen with your hands and boil for 45 seconds. Let's try and do the noodles. 45 seconds was on the clock. There, 45 seconds on the clock. I'm just going to gently pop them in. So, okay, the noodles are done. We're just going to drain them. I think everything's done. Let's start plating up. So I'm going to divide the noodles to here and half. Probably could have done a better job at loosening these, but never mind. This looks amazing, all finished, all garnished, and it took me in total about 18 minutes, which I'm not so good at sticking to timings, but hey, it looks delicious. Let's give it a taste. It is so good. I must have finished this, but if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and press the bell icon for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Okay, let's eat.
Wait.